hard work. It's a lot of patience and being blessed with a very, 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 very hardworking mother. You know, there would be times when you had to study 14 hours, and there would be days you would study 10 hours. But I guess on an average, at least I would try to do 8 to 9 hours of study. Have to be very focused. You know, you need to have targets, you need to have schedules, you need to have timetables drawn. Otherwise, because, you know, this is one exam where anything under the sun can be asked. And when there's so much to accomplish, there's so much to do, and you have limited time, then I guess you need to have a game plan. You need to have a winning strategy. So I believe that it has to be smart study, it has to be focused, and otherwise it gets very difficult. This exam is so long drawn, it takes nearly an hour to get through the 3 phases. So much hard work goes into it. People spend years preparing for it. So I think when it's so tough, there's so much competition, there's a lot of pressure, there's a lot of stress. You need to cut off your social life, you need to focus on your studies, and that often leads to depression, it leads to loneliness. And at that time, if your family is with you, you have a very strong family support in terms of any manner, then you easily sail past. I would say yes, I was academically always very strong. I was a CBSE topper in political science. I scored 100 on 100 in my class 12. Then I'm also the best student of LSR in my batch. So academically, I have been strong, and yes, I do agree that yes, being academically strong has helped me. This job offers you diverse challenges, and you have to work in different fields. So the very fact you just can't be bookish. You need to have some sort of extracurriculars. You need to have overall leadership abilities. I would just say that I know what struggle it is to get through this exam, to just prepare for it, what courage it takes to give up everything and put your all in it. So I would just say that, you know, patience, a lot of patience is required, and, you know, you should never give up hope. Because it is very difficult, and it's at the end of the day also a matter of a little bit of luck as well. So I absolutely feel that nobody should get disheartened. It's a very big struggle, and a lot of patience needs to go into it.